Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will see 3 tips for thicker hair. For more information, please click the links in the description. Do you have fine and sparse hair and dream of voluminous and dense hair? How to have more material without opting for extensions? Here are 3 tips for thicker hair. We are not all equal when it comes to hair. There are those who have voluminous hair and those who have fine and sparse hair. But do not panic. There are solutions for thicker hair. How to have thick hair? The first thing to do is to adapt your diet. Each product we consume contributes to the good health of our organism and therefore of our hair. How to have shinier and voluminous hair? It's simple. You have to bet on proteins, zinc, iron and vitamins A, B, and E. Add green vegetables such as spinach and broccoli to your shopping list. Also, bet on fatty fish and nuts such as nuts. The latter, particularly rich in vitamin B, fight against hair loss. Also be aware that fine hair translates to nutrient deficiencies. It is therefore important to eat seasonal fruits and vegetables. Consider sprinkling brewer's yeast dishes to speed up the process. Avoid silicones to have thick hair. Cosmetic products promising strong and shiny hair invade the shelves. But we must remain vigilant. If there are styling products to densify and give the illusion of having more volume, you should always read their composition. One rule: avoid as much as possible silicones and parabens. If they add hold over time, these chemical agents eventually suffocate the fiber and can even cause hair loss over time. To obtain a radiant and healthy hair, do the cleaning in your bathroom, exit the shampoos with a chemical base and the styling products. Turn to natural vegetable oils, like castor oil for example, to nourish and care for your hair. Also limit the use of the hairdryer and straightening iron as much as possible. Thank you for watching. You can watch more videos by clicking the links in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend.